News time 12:25, and the snow in Boston right now is actually rather light. But don't be fooled, folks. Meteorologist Barry Burbank tells us that we will continue to see bands of heavy snowfall on and off throughout the day before this whole thing finally blows out of here, and that's not going to be until tonight. We're keeping a very close eye on this storm, every movement of it, and of course every effect it's having on the local roads and in local neighborhoods that are experiencing power outages, and we'll be bringing you updates throughout the day. Right now, though, it's time for Keller at Large. Here's John.
Thank you. If you're hearing my voice right now from the comfort of your kitchen or living room, good call. You're right where you want to be during a storm like this. Sitting at home, lording it over the reporters out in the snow, plying the kids and yourself with cocoa, and idly wondering if you have enough milk. It's a New England tradition. Think to yourself, must be some clueless out-of-towner.
WBZ, it's John Keller. WBZ News time is now 27 minutes past noon. Don't wait another minute to check out the great furniture at Bernie and Phil's. Our top stories with Greg Jensen straight ahead.
Hi, this is Gary LaPierre with my friends Phil Amaru and Lorene Vaughn at the Commonwealth Advisory Group. Well, as you know, I had a lot of questions on protecting my mom's home and remaining assets, and I remember your advice, Phil. Gary, you should have called me earlier.
But we'll still be dealing with snow, and that's going to accumulate perhaps even a few more inches. So a lot of places are going to be up closer to 2 feet out of this before we are said and done. Saw the situation a few days ago. I knew this was going to happen, but failed to really pull out all the stops because, you know, the energy was there to make an incredible storm, and it has done just that. And fortunately, we're not getting all of the snow being the heavy, wet snow. It's starting to turn fluffier because it already has done its damage in bringing down power lines and tree branches and limbs and all that. There probably will be additional power outages this afternoon in spots, even though the snow has become fluffier. We got big chunks of heavy, wet, high-density snow that's freezing up and going to be falling off trees. So be very careful when you're out shoveling, and be careful shoveling some of that heavy, wet snow this afternoon, and snow blowing and all that stuff as we try to clean up from the storm as we go through as the afternoon progresses. We will have still gusty winds. We had winds of 50 to 60 along the coast this morning, even over 60 at Nantucket as the storm center went over the outer Cape. It's out to sea now, but we're getting the residual spiral bands spinning in from the ocean. So with so much energy in this storm, there's still going to be several hours of these spiral bands spinning on through here. And it's a good thing the storm is progressive and it's not stalling like some storms have done in the past. When they get really intense, they start slowing down and they go to a crawl almost, or even start wobbling. This thing is still proceeding on its merry old path, and it's a good thing because we would have a lot more.
39, 25 degrees in Boston. The snow is still coming down, but right now in the city, somewhat lessened intensity. Forecast coming up again in a minute.
Lighting accounts for 20% of the average electric bill. Energy Star and local CFLs can reduce these bills significantly, but some people are still electing to use them. To debunk all the myths surrounding CFLs, we're talking about
αυτή είναι η εθνική οδός. Είδαμε ότι γίνεται χαμός. Κοιτάξτε αριστερά και δεξιά του δρόμου, τα δέντρα τι χιόνια έχουν πάνω. Απίστευτες συνθήκες. Κλείνω την κάμερα γιατί γλιστράει πολύ και πάνω θα έπρεπε να έχω και τα δύο μου χέρια στο τιμόνι. Και ακόμα δεν τέλειωσε, λέει. Έχουμε κι άλλο χιόνι να πέσει. Μήπως θα έπρεπε να πάρω κανένα τάγκς με ερμίστριες. Καλή ιδέα.
Fruity drink mix with 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C and energizing B vitamins to help you accomplish more. Get a free sample at myemergency.com. Emergency. Feel the good.
Thank you, America. For over 70 years, GEICO has been saving people money on car insurance, and because of you, they've been the nation's fastest-growing car insurance company over the past 5 years. To show our appreciation, call within the next 15 minutes and you could save hundreds on your car insurance. This is not a limited-time offer, and okay, actually you could call whenever you like. But why are we even arguing about this, America?
For a free rate quote, visit geico.com or call 1-800-947-AUTO. 15 minutes could save you hundreds on car insurance.
New England's News Watch never stops. On WBZ News Radio 1030.
Esse se copiano, esse se ia livini, e cora si puleme. Esse se ia livini, e cora si puleme. Josi, copiano, Josi, Jasu, si mosume, fene, Κοπελιά μου για σένα καταστραφικά, μα δεν σου καταρούμε. Για σένα καταστραφικά, μα δεν σου καταρούμε. Για σε μη μου άμα περνάς εσύ καλά, τσιριώσα να περνούμε. Γυναίκα εγωιστριά, είσαι και θα φανείς. Γυναίκα εγωιστριά, είσαι και θα φανείς. Φύγε από μένα κι όπου θες, φύγε από μένα κι όπου θες, θύμα να παναβρίνεις. Thank you.